Hi Lee, it's Kevin from EssentialNET. Just wanted to spend a couple of minutes really giving you an idea of how the two systems are going to hang together and what some of the key differences are. Obviously price excluded, but why you're paying for the difference if there is any difference. So let's start with your classic three-tier architecture as the other guys are proposing. They're proposing to have three servers that are connected via a switch, and that's connected to a SAN. That is an HP SAN, and that's an HP servers. I'm not sure what the switch is, but it may well be HP. But the reality of it is you need three effective management systems, even if you can run them on the same switch. They're independent to look after the servers, to look after the switch, and to look after the SAN, which is obviously not ideal. So a couple of other interesting areas that you need to be aware of is you've got a bundled VM license that has been put onto your environment, and that gives you three VMs, or three virtual machines that you can use, and you can run as many of those many VMs, which will sit up here as you like, within that environment, obviously until you run out of capacity. The reality is our VM actually runs down here in real terms, because that's where all the data is. So you have a natural blockage between here in order to get your data. The more servers you run up here, the more the blockage here is, and that's a really big and serious issue. If you then say, well, okay, I want to expand, I've got a little bit bigger, I need to add a little bit more capacity, adding more disks. Well, yeah, in relative terms, it's quite simple. You add just another bunch of disks down here, connect it up. But actually what you're doing is you're making that pinch point here on the controllers even worse. The worse that pinch point is, the more the performance is going to suffer. You're only as good as that switch, and if you've got all your data going back from all of these three servers at the same time, you've got a bottleneck. That's going to cause you some serious issues. Now, the nasty little gotcha, which, and I'm going to tell you about, is VMware itself. If you add in your full HP server here in order to virtualize, the price of this license goes up dramatically, and I really mean dramatically, because you're going from a starter kit to an enterprise kit, and you're buying everything. And that means the support goes up and everything, and it is, we've seen it with our customers where they've done this, it's quite a sizable jump. So to give you a bit of a heads up, that's how the three-tier environment works, and what I will do is I'll then do another little video on how the Nutanix works in relation to that. Okay, Lee, thank you.